So NCMT supplied applications engineering support throughout the project to enable Danfoss to switch over their programs from their previous machine tools into the new ones. We project managed the entire thing from start to finish, removing their old machines at the same time as replacing them with the 3 horizontal machining centres and the pallet system.
Yeah, so this starts with a request from the sales team and obviously the customer. And from there we have a look at the parts that they want to manufacture, how they want to manufacture them, the sizes, so that we can specify the right machine and ultimately the right system, automation. You know, we're available to support them with whatever they're doing. At the moment we're working with them with Seeker systems to integrate their MRP system so that they can download automatically their orders onto the system. Mass A5, the controlling software, can accept that information, so we're just working with them to make sure that happens for them, and that'll just another part of the automation process, and it eases their orders onto the machines.
I didn't really know too much about NCMT till we started this project going, but the relationship's fine. It's really good with all departments within NCMT, your engineering, your senior leadership, purchasing, sales. They're really responsive to any issues we have on the board.
These machines have got 313 tool ATCs, which gives them complete flexibility, which means they don't have to move tools around as often between parts. They've got this system set up for a high mix, high volume production across multiple materials, a mix of aluminium and steels, various steels on the machine. So the machine needs to be capable of machining across that selection. So the spindle's rigid and robust. It's got a good high RPM, but it's got the torque to allow us to machine the steels as well. This system will give them the ability to place an order onto the system. It will then request an operator to load work to a specific pallet, which is set up for that component or a number of components, of which that is one of them. That will then go to the machine on a schedule and be manufactured and then returned to the workset station to be unloaded. It means that the operator is only stationed at the workset station. He's loading and unloading parts under instruction from the system, and it limits the amount of movement that he has to do, but it keeps the productivity of the machines at near 100%.
A lot of them are already used to the horizontal machines we've currently got, and we've just carried the same philosophy over from the old machines to the new. So a fair bit of training going on, but NCMT supported with that, and it's fine. So the guys have moved across and they've picked it up really, really well. So it's probably simpler, in effect, than what they were doing before. So it's making their life easier as well as our life easier.